Hello guys, today we will discuss about the CSIR NET Chemistry 2017 June question from booklet number A, question number 87. So this is the question on your screen. So please note down the question. So this is the starting material and this is the conditions are given. So A and B we have to detect. So which one is A and which one is B. So now we will go for the mechanism. So this is the starting materials given. So we can write this one like this. Okay, so this is a Diels-Alder type of reaction. So we will write the other substance, means the dienophile in this side, COET. So there will be a interaction, right? So this is the new 6-member ring we will going to form. So guys, you remember it is very important for the CSIR NET that to understand the stereochemistry after the reaction. So this phenyl ring is towards the newly formation ring, right? So this is towards and this is the outskirts. So this is the outside and this is the inside. So whatever the group will be there inside, that will goes above, and whatever the group will be there outside, that will go below. Here also CO2 is there outside, so therefore it will go below, and here the hydrogen is there inside, so it will go to above. So after this reaction, what will be the stereochemistry? It is this one. So this one, and after that a double bond will come here, and this pH will go above. Okay, so pH will go above and hydrogen will come down, and here the CO2 will come down, so COET, and the hydrogen will go above. Okay, so this is the compound A. Okay, compound A is this one. Now O3 is given. O3 means ozonolysis will happen. We know the product of ozonolysis is that it will break the double bond and it will form double bond O, and with both sides this is a hydrogen is there, so this will be a aldehyde, and here also hydrogen is there, so this side also will be a aldehyde. So what will form? It will form this one. So this one is like this, and here this will be a double bond OH aldehyde, and this side also a double bond OH aldehyde, and here this will be a pH dot H, and here also it will be a H dot COOET. Now sodium borohydride is given, NaBH4 is given, right? So NaBH4 is a hydride donor, H- donor. So H- can react with this, and the H- can react with this, both side it can react. So both aldehyde will reduce to a alcohol. Okay, so it will come out, it will take a proton, here also to come out, it take a proton because H3O plus is given, so both will be a alcohol. So what is the product? The product is this one, pH H, here H, and COOET, and here this one is CH2OH, and here also it will be CH2OH. Now this COOET, this group we can write like this, C double bond O OET. So we can write like this. Now this OH can attack here, okay, and this can come out, this can go back, and this OET can remove. So what will be the product? The product will be like this. So here this is the CH2OH, and here this is OH, and double bond O will form and CO2 will be removed. So here one hydrogen is there, that will be in the above side, and here the phenyl ring is in the above side. So here you can see this is from the below side it attacks, so that means one hydrogen also there here above side. So we can write in a planar configuration, and it will remove a H plus as well. So what will be the structure? So we are writing in the planar conformation. Okay, so double bond O, and here also a 5-membered ring. So in the 5-membered ring, this will be a upside, this is the upside H, and this is the below side, because this is the above side means this is the below side, so this will be a below OH, and here phenyl. So this is the final product, this is the product B. So guys, hope you understand what is the option. So option number A is the correct answer. So option number A is the correct answer. So guys, you understand the video. I hope that you understand the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will come with the next video tomorrow. Thank you guys.